Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I am Naveed Ahmed. Today in this video I will show you how you can create customized header like this with Elementor. So to create it, go to your WordPress dashboard. After going to your dashboard, scroll down and go to Elements Kit. If you do not have this Elements Kit plugin, you need to install it. And after that, go to header and footer. And now click here on this add new template. We need to assign a title like header 2 and set the type of header or footer. So we are creating header. We will set it to header and set the condition it will apply to the entire website. After that, click here and set it on. Then click here on save changes. Now creating an header, we need to edit the header with Elementor. For this, click here on this edit button. Now click here on edit content. As you can see in our demo, we have an logo on left side, then we have navigation items in center, and on right side we have an button with name register. Uh, and then we have a social icon over here, and we have a text written Elementor, and then we have a cart button over here, and we also have an search icon button over here. So to create a customized header like this, first go to your Elementor page and click here on this plus icon and go to Flexbox and click here on Flexbox with 3 column. Now go to container and set the content width to full width. After setting the width, click here and go to style. First we will set the background type color. Click here on color and set the color to blue. To set the exact color, it's better if we go here and inspect our background color. From here, we can take the color code, copy this one, go to your Elementor page and paste the color over here. Now we have exact same color in our background as we have in our demo. Go to your demo again. Now you can see that on left side we have a logo. Go to Elementor page, click here on this plus icon and drag an image over here. Now click here on choose image and find your logo image. Select it. Now you can see that our logo is appearing, but we need to adjust it. Click here on this column, go to advanced and set it to align self to center. Now it's aligned vertically center. Now to create navigation item, click here on this plus icon, go to search widget and search nav. After searching nav, go to Elements Kit nav menu and hover it here. Now we need to select the menu, click here and set the main menu. Now you can see that our menu item are appearing here, but we need to set the color to white. Go to style, go to menu item and item text color, set the item text color to white. We also need to set the font size of our nav item. Click here on typography and set the size to 18. And go to weight and set the weight to 700. Now you can see that we have nav items, but as you can see in our demo, we have an active item color, orange color, and we also have an hover color. To set the active nav item color and hover color, click here on this hover. Go to item text color and then set it to orange. Copy this one and go to item text color, click here and paste your color code over here. Now we need to check it, go to publish and then go to preview page and refresh your page. You can see that we have a logo on left side, we have navigation items, we also have set the active nav color and we also have set the hover nav color. Now go to demo and as you can see that we have navigation item in center. For this, go to your Elementor page, click here on this pencil icon, go to advanced and go to align self to center. Now you can see that our navigation items have been set to center. Now in the third column we need to set button. For this we need to drag an button over here and go to advanced, set it to align self center, go to column and then go to advanced and set the align self to center. Now in this way we have set the center for horizontal and vertical position. Click here on this pencil icon, go to style and click here on background color. Set the background color to transparent, then scroll down and go to border type, click here on solid and then set the border width to 2 pixel and go to border color, set it to white and then set the border radius to 25. Now you can see that we have set the button. Click here on publish, go to preview page and refresh your page. Now you can see that we have set the first part of our customized header. Go to your demo. For the second part, you can see that on first we have social icon, then we have Elementor, and after that we have a cart button and we also have a search option. So to create this, go to your Elementor page again and click here on this plus icon. Click here flex box and set the flex box with 3 column. And now set the content width to full width. And now we will set the background color of our new container. Go here, go to style and click here on color. Copy this one and go to new container and then go to style and click here on background type and click here on this color and paste the color code over here. Now after setting the background color, the next thing we need to set is social icon. For this, click here on this plus icon, search for social widgets. We will drag this Elementor Kit widgets over here. Now we need to set it to center. Click here on this column, go to advanced and set it to align self center. After setting it, as you can see that the social icon color is black, we need to set it to white. For this, click here on this pencil icon. Click here on Facebook, scroll down and go to color and set the color to white. And click here on Twitter, go to color and set the color to white. And then go to LinkedIn and click here on the color and set the color to white. So in this way we have set the colors of our social icons. Now to set the border of our social icon, go to border type and set the border to solid and go to border width and set it to 2 pixel and go to border color and set the border color to white. After setting the border of our social icon, go to your demo, and you can see that in our demo, the next thing need to do is Elementor text. For this, go to your Elementor page, click here, and drag an heading over here, write Elementor, and then go to style, set it to center, and change the color to white. And now we need to change the typography. Go to typography and increase the size to 75 pixel. And now we need to change the font family. For font family, we need to check which font family we are using. Go to our demo, search for the font family. You can see that we have a font family. This one, copy this and go to Elementor page. Search this font family, and after searching, select this one. Now we need to set the vertical position of our text. Click here on this column, go to advanced and set the align self to center. After setting the Elementor text, go to your demo. As you can see in our demo, we have a cart item and we also have a search icon over here. For these two, go to Elementor page and click here on this column and duplicate it. Go to the layout and set it width to 15. Go to this columns, go to layout and set its width to 15. Now for the cart option, click here, search the cart widget, drag this cart of ultimate add-on for Elementor. Go to the column, go to advanced and set it align self center. Then click here on this pencil icon and set the alignment to center. After that, go to style and go to text color and set the text color to white. Then go to border color and set the border color to white. After creating the cart item, click here on this plus icon and go to widgets, and we need to search the search icon. Drag this search icon over here. Go to column and go to advanced, set it align self to center, and then click on this pencil icon. Go to layout, click here on input box and set it to icon. After that, go to advanced and go to align self and set it to center. After setting the search icon, click here on this publish and go to preview page and refresh it. As you can see that in our demo, we have a bottom border over here. So to set the bottom border, go to Elementor, click here on this container and go to style. Click here on border and set the default border to solid and unlink this border width and click here on border bottom to 2 pixel and set the color to blue color. After setting, we also need to transparent it up to some extent. After that, click here on publish. Go to preview page and refresh it. So in this way, we can create customized header like this with Elementor. If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel, share the video with your friends and like the video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.